Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Oma. I filmed a tutorial on this look. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to do so. Don't forget to share this video as well, and don't forget to switch on your notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you all again for watching, and I have something underneath this video for those of you that are curious. Okay, I already did my brow cam to save time. To define my brows, I used the elixir Pro Concealer in Frown to define the brows. For my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here as my face transition color. And I'm going to be adding this orangey shade above the color we first added. I'm just going to be adding a little bit more of the first color we used previously. Going in with some concealer, and I am going to be applying that on the rest part of my lid where I don't have any eyeshadow on, and I'm just going to be kind of like creating a cut crease. So before I apply my eyeshadow color, I'm going to be lining my waterline with this eye pen. I don't know if I should call it the eye pen that I got from the India shop. I'll look for a name or a similar product. I am sure you can get it online, but this one I got it from the India shop. I'm going to be applying this loose pigment on the right part of my eyelid, and this is in the color 11 and it is called Blue Brown. And I'll be adding some of this product also below my lid. I'm going to be cleaning my lid with an angle brush just to remove any excess or unwanted products that fell on our lid. Normally I'm supposed to add my wing liner, my mascara, and my false lashes before I apply my foundation, but lately I've stopped doing that. I always do that now at the end of the video. I found that it's a little bit more easier for me to work with that way. If I decide to apply my foundation and set my face with my powder, at the end of the day, the powder tends to end up on my eye, on my false lashes and on my eyeliner. It makes the whole look dull. So now I've decided to start doing that at the end of the video, and I'm going to be skipping the rest part of the video through because you already know how I apply my foundation. The only thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be leaving the name of the products I used on the screen. I'm going to be applying my forces of calm, and the first eyelashes I'm applying, it's called AM eyelashes, beauty fashion. I got it from AliExpress. I think the name of the seller is called AM, but I'm still going to be leaving the name of the seller in the description below. And it says here pure handmade, and these are what they look like. I will apply them off cam and I'll come back with the rest of the tutorial. I'm going to be applying some concealer on my lips to make my color pop up. I'm going to be lining my lips with this eye pen, and it's from Party Queen, and this is in the shade 11. I am looking scary. This color, a very wrong decision. I'm going in with the same company's eye pen from Party Queen, and this is called Nutmeg in the color 3. For the middle part of our lips, I'm just going to be adding some matte concealer and we are good to go. For our final look, I'm going to be adding some highlighter, and this is from the Makeup Factory. They discontinued this highlighter for whatever reason best known to them. You can use any highlighter of your choice. So I'm just going to be adding some setting spray to set my face, and we are good to go. So guys, here is our final look. I hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all again for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.